everyone. My name is Nengdalia Ramadhani, a student of accounting at Nusa Putra University. Today, I want to talk about a very important topic for all of us, which is saving energy and using renewable energy. In recent decades, we have witnessed how the use of fossil energy has caused various environmental and economic problems. Therefore, I want to raise awareness about the importance of saving energy and using renewable energy. Okay, why is saving energy so important? Yes, we all know that fossil energy, such as oil, natural gas, and coal, they are limited. According to data from the International Energy Agency (IEA), the world's oil reserves are estimated to run out in 57 years if we continue to use them at the current rate. In addition, the use of fossil energy also causes air pollution and climate change that have a negative impact on the environment and our health. Therefore, saving energy is very important to reduce our dependence on fossil energy sources and reduce environmental impact. We can see the graphic illustrate the condition of oil energy in Indonesia from 1965 to the present. Here is the explanation of each element in the graph. Okay. Number 1, the black line is oil consumption. So the trend of oil consumption in Indonesia, it has continuously increased from around 1965 to the present. Currently, oil consumption has reached approximately 1.5 million barrels per day. The white line is oil production. So the trend of oil production in Indonesia, production rose and peaked around 1977 and 1995. However, it has declined sharply since then and now stand at only around 700,000 barrels per day. The gray bar is oil gap. It indicates the gap between consumption and production. The larger the bar extends downward, the greater the dependence on imports. Currently, consumption for exceed production, forcing the country to import oil to meet its needs. Okay, the conclusion of the graph, Indonesia used to be self-sufficient in oil production meet consumption. But now, Indonesia has become an oil importer due to a sharp decline in production while consumption continues to rise. Okay, the main message, Indonesia is facing an oil energy crisis where consumption is significantly higher than production. This has led to a growing dependence on oil import. Okay, the benefit of using renewable energy. Renewable energy such as solar, wind, and hydro is a cleaner and more sustainable alternative compared to fossil energy. According to National Renewable Energy Laboratory (NREL), the use of solar and wind energy can reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 78% compared to coal-fired power plants. In addition, renewable energy can also increase energy security and reduce our dependence on energy import. Therefore, using renewable energy is very important for our energy future. We can see the photo about solar, wind, and power plants. Yes. Okay, next, way to save energy in daily life. Although saving energy and using renewable energy is very important, we can also take a small step in the daily life to save energy. For example, we can use LED bulbs that are more efficient than incandescent bulbs, turn off electronic devices when not in use, and use public transportation or bicycle. By taking this small step, we can save energy and reduce environmental impact. Okay, the conclusion. In conclusion, saving energy and using renewable energy is very important for our energy future. By saving energy, we can reduce our dependence on fossil energy, such and reduce environmental impact. By using renewable energy, we can increase energy security and reduce greenhouse gas emission. Therefore, let's all take small steps in our daily lives to save energy and use renewable energy. Thank you.